How to use Cashapp money without card. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Cashapp money without any card. So for that, just open your Cashapp and let's suppose if you have a balance in your Cashapp account. As you can see that I don't have any balance in my Cashapp account right now. So if you have a balance and you want to use that balance to make a payment or use that money basically, and you don't want to use your Cashapp card, so all you have to do is just click on this dollar icon at the bottom. So and click on this scan icon at the bottom left corner of your screen, and now all you have to do is allow the app permission to scan the QR code that has been to the person you want to make the payment to or share the money. And once you scan the code, then you have to enter the amount that you want to transfer, and after that just enter the amount and just click on send. So this is how you will be able to use Cashapp money without a card. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.